Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, I recommend to check if you have the latest software version. Open Huawei Life application. By the way, the application available only for Android devices. You can install application Huawei Life on your iPhone, but you cannot add these earbuds to the app. And these headphones should be connected to check if you have the latest version. So, my headphones connected. I see them at the device list. Right here at the main menu, you need to click at the 4 dots. If you are in the headphones menu, just go back using this arrow at the left top. So, 4 dots, then click device updates, and it check for updates for all devices what you have in the application. And as you can see, it says that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, you can update it here. Next is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. If you want to check it, you can go to the settings Bluetooth for connected devices, and right here as you can see it moved to save devices, meaning that it's disconnected, but it depends. Let's say on Realme, under your earbuds you have information in use when it's connected, no information when it's disconnected, so maybe you have a similar path to check it. Then you need to open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and open the application and check if you have the same battery level. Next, if the software set didn't help you, we should perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time don't close the case. If you already close it, just open it and do not remove your earbuds from the case. At the right side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking red. Here we go, and firstly start blinking white. It's okay, just enter to pairing mode, don't worry, just keep holding this button and wait for the red LED light. Now we have it, so you can release your finger and then we can reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget button or forget device or forget this device or unpair or remove or something else. And forget device. Because, and you will remove these earbuds, because if I'm trying to reconnect them, I cannot, as you can see. And if you try to do this on your iPhone, it will ask you to remove them. So let's remove them. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory set, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, we know it by the LED light was blinking white, and we see them at the device list. Tap at your headphones and click Pair. And then check if the factory set fixes this problem. If it doesn't, I recommend to put your earbuds to the charging case and then fully charge your earbuds. And then check, and if the battery level the same, amazing. If it doesn't, maybe you need to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!